Guys, welcome back to Live Sisters. Today we're going to cook barbecue chicken. So we have our barbecue hot and ready. And if there is our meat, we put everything, and we put like meat flavoring, we put salt, pepper. You guys put anything of your choice. So now we're going to put the meat over here to cook. So yeah, I'm going to slowly put this in.
Just gonna get the thing.
It's not coming.
Guys, you should try this. It looks so good. Guys, when this gets cooked, this looks so good. I think you guys should really try it. So good.
Yeah, it's good for picnicking.
Okay, we're done.
We're done.
We're gonna close it. You can see.
Just squeeze it up. Close it more. Okay.
We always try this when we ever go picnicking.
So
it's so good.
Now we're gonna put it over here on the top row, and we're gonna let it cook.
Huh?
Like that, and then we're gonna be letting the one side of it cook, and then we're gonna turn it to the other side, and then we're gonna let the other side cook. Okay.
We always try this whenever we're going to picnicking. This looks so good.
Yeah. And we thought we might want to share with you guys. Yeah. So, and basically, we did this one night before the picnic. So that's why.
You should do the meat like one. Hi guys.
Okay, guys. So this is the menu.
So until our chicken cooks, we're gonna show you around.
Yeah, this, actually, I like this place so much. It's so good. It has great weather. Yeah, and then over here, we're gonna be turning 3, 2. So we put some vinegar in a normal water bottle, and we poke a hole. Now we're gonna put it on top of the meat for the taste. And we took off the top so it can be cooking a little bit more better. So this thing cooks about in 30 minutes. But you still have to take an eye on it to keep and switching it.
It cooks like half an hour.
Yeah, half an hour. So you keep switching it so it doesn't burn in one side. And yeah. Yeah, I like it. Wow, this is so cool.
Interesting.
Yeah, and it's already smelling good.
I think we should flip it.
No, I don't think so. Because we just... Okay, guys. So I'm gonna be doing that. You can pause it. Not too much. That's too much. So that's enough, I think, Mark. We are gonna be taking it out and putting it into a plate. Let's do that.
Okay, Maya's gonna flip it.
3, 2, 1.
Make sure you have a dot so you cannot mess up something up. Careful. Try to be careful. Let's get that out because it's hot. Okay.
Okay, some of them are sticked up there, so.
Open it then.
Of them. Go and try this out.
Let's go. Okay,
Okay,
guys.
I'm gonna get one for myself. I want a small one, so I'm gonna get a small one. Here you go.
We're gonna do the tasting test. I'm gonna get this one then.
So I'm gonna cut it.
Now let's be it. And then I'm gonna have a little taste. This looks so good.
Yeah, it does so much.
Some onion on it. Let's try.
It's amazing. I love it so much. So, yeah, this is really good. And if you wonder what's behind me, it's the things what people sit on. And it also comes with pillows, and that's the thing where we sit on.
So this is so good. You guys should try this. I would give it like 100 likes. I love it.
Yeah, I like it so much.
This thing is so useful for picnics.
Yeah, they're really good and amazing. You should guys totally try it. 100%.
Yeah, they're good.
Yeah.
And if you want more videos like this, like and subscribe.
And check out our Facebook account.
Our name is down here.
Yeah. And see you next time. Goodbye.